Once upon a time, in a small village nestled among the rolling hills, there lived a young boy named Lucas. From a young age, Lucas had a deep connection with God and would spend hours in prayer, seeking guidance and strength in his daily life. Despite facing various challenges and obstacles, Lucas always remained steadfast in his faith, trusting that God would take care of him no matter what. And true to his belief, God never failed to answer his prayers and provide for him in miraculous ways. One day, a great famine struck the village, leaving its inhabitants struggling to find food and water. But Lucas, undeterred by the scarcity around him, continued to pray fervently, believing that God would not abandon him in his time of need. And sure enough, God heard Lucas's prayers and sent help in the most unexpected way. A group of traveling merchants happened to pass through the village, carrying an abundance of provisions that they generously shared with the villagers, including Lucas. From that day on, Lucas became known as the boy who always prayed and was always taken care of by God. His unwavering faith inspired others in the village to trust in the power of prayer and the goodness of God, creating a sense of unity and hope in the midst of hardship. So, the story of the boy who always prayed and God always took care of him became a testament to the enduring power of faith and the boundless grace of God in the lives of those who believe.